flat block, so central and so private, you could enjoy living in this garden oasis. We're situated on a flat block in a central location within walking distance to schools, the new pool development, the bus stop is close by, and we're just minutes from the CBD. This is a cottage style home that offers old time warmth and relaxation. It's so well looked after and neat as they come. There are 3 bedrooms on offer, plus another room that would be perfect for a study or nursery. The lounge is a good size, it's north facing and even has a study nook. The neat timber kitchen opens to the dining space, which enjoys a cosy open wood fire, perfect for those winter evenings. The bathroom has recently been renovated and is positioned centrally in the home. As I've mentioned many times, the gardens are a standout feature and are just sensational. There is a single garage and carport along with great parking. It's so rare when properties this immaculate with such a beautiful setting hit the market. You best be quick to inspect this one.